Welcome to our tutorial on how to changing the tab color of Excel worksheets. Changing tab colors can help you organize your workbook by making specific sheets stand out. In this video, we'll cover 2 easy methods to change tab colors. Let's get started. The first method we'll look at is using the ribbon, which is a straightforward way to change your tab colors. Start by opening the workbook and selecting the sheet whose tab color you want to change. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on the Format button. From the drop-down menu, select Tab Color. Choose the color you want from the palette. I'll select a bright blue. Next, let's explore how to change the tab color using the right-click Context menu, which is a quick and convenient method. Go to the Worksheet tab you want to color. Right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom of the Excel window. In the Context menu, select Tab Color. Choose your desired color from the palette. I'll pick a vibrant green. To recap, we've covered 2 methods to change the tab color of your Excel worksheets, using the ribbon and the right-click Context menu. Changing tab colors is a simple yet effective way to organize your workbook. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.